Hello student. In this video we are going to discuss the important questions 2 marks, 5 marks, 10 marks and case study for financial service subject. First question, define financial service or state two objectives of financial service. Second question, what are free based financial services? Third question, what is fund based activities? Fourth question, what is meant by mutual fund? Fifth question, what is loan syndication? Sixth question, what is leasing or what is leaseback? Seventh question, explain ONICRA, CARE, NSDL, CDSL. Eighth question, what is venture capital? Ninth question, what is close-ended scheme? 10th question, what is dematerialization? 11th question, what is forfeiting? Next question, what is credit rating? Next question, what is depository service? Next question, what is rematerialization? Next question, what is resource factoring? For 5 and 10 marks, what are features of a financial services? What are the importance of a financial service? What are the types of a financial service? Explain advantages and disadvantages of credit rating. Explain advantages and disadvantages of depository system. Explain advantages and risk of a mutual fund. Discuss the advantages and disadvantages of leasing. Explain the types of lease. What are the features of venture capital? List difference between factoring and bills discounting. List difference between financial lease and operating lease. Final question, write a note on CDSL and NSDL. So for this year, case study will be your numerical problem from financial service. In ಫೈನಾನ್ಷಿಯಲ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸ್ ನಲ್ಲಿ ನ್ಯೂಮರಿಕಲ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಲೆಕ್ಕವನ್ನ ಕೇಸ್ ಸ್ಟಡಿಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಮುಂದಿನ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತೊಂದು ವಿಷಯದೊಂದಿಗೆ ಸಿಗೋಣ. ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.